In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to tag someone in Microsoft Teams chat. Microsoft Teams is a powerful tool for communication and collaboration, and knowing how to effectively use its features can significantly enhance your teamwork experience. Tagging is one of those key features that ensures your messages reach the right people promptly. First, you need to go to the Microsoft Teams account homepage and log into your account. You can do this by navigating to the Teams platform either through your browser or desktop application. Simply enter your credentials to access the platform. Once you're logged in, you'll see the main dashboard, which showcases all the teams and channels you're a part of. This is your hub for all things communication and collaboration, so it's a good idea to familiarize yourself with this layout. Next, focus on finding the specific team or group where you want to send your message. Look through the list on your left-hand side, where all your teams and channels are listed, and click on the group or channel where you want to tag someone. Selecting the correct location is crucial because it helps ensure your message reaches the intended audience. After you've selected the group, it's time to compose your message and tag the person. Begin by typing the @ symbol in the message box. The @ symbol is what alerts teams that you want to tag someone, and it's a universal tagging cue in many platforms. As soon as you type it, a list of suggested users will appear, usually those who are part of the group or channel you're in. Scroll through the list until you find the person you wish to tag, or simply start typing their name to narrow down the choices. Once you see the correct user, click on their name to select them. Now that you've tagged the person, you're ready to compose your message. Simply press the spacebar after selecting the user to continue typing your message. This step is where you can convey your message clearly and concisely, making sure your communication is both effective and purposeful. Lastly, once you're satisfied with your message, click on the Send button. This action will deliver your message, along with the tag, alerting the person that they've been mentioned in a chat. Tags are a powerful feature because they notify users of urgent matters or direct messages that require their attention amidst all the chat traffic. And there you have it, a straightforward way to ensure your messages in Microsoft Teams are directed to the right individuals. Mastering this simple yet effective feature can significantly improve your team's communication dynamics. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to check out other features that Microsoft Teams offers for optimizing your collaborative work.